So if you've chosen DalaCasa for your paver installation, the installation process kind of goes as such. The installation manager is going to come out to the property, assess the working site, paint out where the pavers are going to be going. The crews will then come in and start performing that work. They're going to do all the grading, leveling. They're going to introduce the aggregates to make sure everything is level, nice and compact. So once the paver job has been installed, we're then going to bring in the seam fillers. The guys are going to brush and fill in all seams, making sure that those pavers are not going to slide or shift or move at all. They're going to make sure that it's properly been compacted so it can withstand all the pressure and downforce that the traffic might have for it. Then once all that has been completed, the guys are going to clean up the work site. The installation manager will meet up with the client, do a complete walkthrough to assure that the project has been as completed as it needed to. Within our paver walkways or patios, there is a lot of options that you could go with brands like Techo and Belgard. Some people use a flagstone. We can accommodate all those things. DalaCasa does all that in-house. And so you have plenty of options to pick from if you decide to go with DalaCasa. So at any point you experience the damage to these pavers, cracks, unlevelness, DalaCasa will come out to your property and fix anything that might have occurred and try to identify the issue and why it happened, so we can make sure that that doesn't happen in the future. So as you can see behind me, this is a paver driveway extension with a small retaining wall to bring it up to grade. So with DalaCasa, there are a lot of options to fit the needs of the client depending on the layout of the property. We can, again, just come assess exactly how that needs to take place, so assure we get the outcomes that you are desiring. So if you have the need or the desire to look into patio installation, call DalaCasa today.